Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make a high-level automation in make.com. Actually, a pretty easy one. So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to create scenario in here. Amazing. By the way, keep in mind to check our previous tutorial on how to connect to make.com. Now, what are we going to do, guys? We're going to create a new model. That's going to be go high level. Amazing. And we're going to select the trigger to be watch event. What this is going to do, this is basically going to gather data from our Go High Level page every once in a while, okay? Now we're going to choose a hook, but instead of, choosing a new one, we're going to create a new one, okay? Let's give this a name in here. For example, I don't know, a test. And the record type, this is what it's going to check basically. It's going to be a content create. So every time a lead is created, this is going to be executed. Let's click on save. Let's click on save in here. Amazing. Just give me a second. Let's do this. So address. Okay, amazing. Now let's add one more model in here. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go high level again, and we're gonna search contacts. Amazing. Okay. Now what are we gonna do? Is that the query is gonna be the email. Okay, so we're basically gonna look for the email in the previous step in our database of contacts to see if they are the same or not. Now we're going to add also like a router, which is going to be like a conditional, which is in here. The first condition is going to be that if the email from the search contacts tab, which is this step in here, is the same as this one, then we basically are not going to do nothing, okay? Or we can just go to high level and we can, I don't know, like update a contact and we can leave it there, that's fine. We can put this location ID, last name, whatever, like this one here, for example, okay? We're not going to do anything. However, if they're not the same, what's going to happen is that we're going to create a new contact. Okay, so let's create a new contact. And again, you have to enter all of the different, things. It's the email, but these are going to be from the first step. Okay, so let's do email in here, the phone, and so on and so on. You can fill in the rest of the details. Okay, and this is a pretty simple but useful workflow. Thank you so much, guys.